Have you ever wondered how air filters work or what to do when they're dirty? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about air filters, how they keep your engine running smoothly, and how to clean or replace them. Let's dive in. An air filter is a very simple component in the air intake that's able to keep the air going into the engine, clean of contaminants, and ensures a good mixture of air and fuel to support performance. On most modern vehicles, the air filter is under the hood, inside a rectangular cold air collector box that's located up near the front of the engine compartment. A faulty air filter appears brown or black and is easy to recognize. You may hear strange engine noises and detect black smoke coming out from the exhaust pipe. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the air sensor related error codes. Look at the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excess dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. And that's it. Maintaining your air filter is one of the easiest ways to keep your car running smoothly. Remember to check it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as recommended by your manufacturer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.